Trey here with Daddy Mojo, and the other day a study came out that basically listed the most relaxing jobs that pay the most, or the most stress-free jobs, and the one that was at the top of the list was mathematicians. That got me wondering. I did a quick little search. Do it yourself. This job trends as the highest paid, most relaxing job there is. You know why? Because mathematicians will never get fired. There's always a need for them, and students are lazy in elementary school and middle school. They're too lazy to excel in math and really master it when they had the chance and the free time to become the math wizards that anybody can. Whenever I teach math, I always tell these kids, I'm like, hey, these kids are like, I don't like math, I'm no good at math. I'm like, you know why you're no good at math? Because you don't try, and you can do it. And math is one of those skills that you can learn. All you gotta do is practice. This is a graphic novel that drives that home like a Mercedes-Benz, like the car you can afford when you become a mathematician. It's The Solvers, a math graphic novel. This is the first one in the series, the DivMulti Ray Dilemma. Bit of a tongue twister on the title. It's from John Chad. John has written some of the other graphic novels, the educational graphic novels from Science Comics that we really liked. However, The Solvers is a little bit different because the narrative, the story, it's a stronger story. And it also has some really solid math lessons that drive home how to do the new math well. And that's one thing parents joked about 5 or 6 years ago, when basically the distributive property, when that became the way to teach mathematics. It became kind of a joke, like new math is always math, but the distributive property is an easier way to learn math. It really is, and this book does a great job in doing it. Will it teach those reluctant learners how to do math? It will teach some of them because it's a great graphic novel. It's legitimately very entertaining. It's funny. It's got some action in it, and it's educational. It's very much like Science Comics, except we prefer this better because the story is stronger. Go figure. At the end of The Solvers multi-div Ray Dilemma, tongue twister, we wanted more. Being an older dude, we wanted a stronger math lesson, something like calculus or something like that. But this is division and multiplication. The next one, I think, is subtraction and math. And the book, the graphic novel, it's broken up into chapters. So you've got the basic division, basic multiplication, then some action, and then the next chapter is going to be like advanced multiplication or advanced division. It does the mathematics really solid, and it's a very entertaining graphic novel. Please check this out. If you are in 5th grade and up, and you are a reluctant math person, you think math isn't cool, ask your future self in about 25 years what your pay rate's going to be. And you'll go back in your time machine 25 years and say, let me read The Solvers and see if I can increase my net worth by a couple of dozen $1,000. Again, that's horrible math, but The Solvers could fix that for you. And this is Trey, Daddy Mojo.